To set up a Chime card, start by downloading the Chime mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and social security number, to verify your identity. After verifying your account, you will be prompted to link a funding source, such as a bank account or debit card, to your Chime account. This will allow you to transfer money into your Chime account and use it to fund your Chime card. You can also set up direct deposit to have your paycheck deposited into your Chime account. Once your account is funded, you can order a Chime card, which will be sent to you in the mail. The card will arrive within 7 to 10 business days. While you wait for your card to arrive, you can use the Chime app to track your account activity, send and receive money, and set up alerts and notifications. When your card arrives, activate it by calling the phone number on the back of the card or by using the Chime app. You will be asked to create a PIN, which you will use to authorize transactions and access your account at ATMs. You can also use the Chime app to set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication and card locks. To use your Chime card, simply swipe it or insert the chip at a merchant terminal, or use the contactless payment feature if available. You can also use your card to withdraw cash at ATMs or make online purchases. Be sure to keep track of your account balance and transaction history to avoid overdrafts and fees. It is also important to note that Chime offers a range of features and tools to help you manage your account and stay on top of your finances, including real-time alerts and notifications, budgeting tools, and credit score tracking. By following these steps and using the Chime app, you can easily set up and use your Chime card to manage your finances and make payments on the go.